Hey guys, wanna know how to enter or type in a coupon code in Geeks for Geeks? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first off, simply open up your Geeks for Geeks application. And once you're there, right here on the top left, you can see the courses tab. Just simply hover on it. And now just simply select any courses you want. So for now, I'll just go for DSA to development. And once you've done that, there should be your courses page opening, and scroll down and select sign up now. And once you've done that, just simply fill in your information right here and then select save and next. And once you've selected save and next, you should be directed to the payment section. And once you're there, here you will be able to type in your coupon code and redeem it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.